Nighttime healing for your eyes. Nighttime is when your eyes can quietly repair themselves. And there's one tiny habit that can make that process even stronger. But here's the problem. Most older adults do it wrong, and their vision keeps getting worse. Because the answer isn't in eye drops, it's in the foods you eat right before bed. Sound familiar? And have you ever wondered, is this just aging? Or is there something I can do to keep the light in my eyes? The truth is, after 60, your eyes don't recover as quickly as they once did. But what few people realize is this. Some of the simplest foods, the ones sitting right in your kitchen, can actually help your eyes heal while you sleep. In today's video, I'll share with you 4 everyday foods, how to combine them into one easy 3-minute nightly ritual, and why they can help you wake up with less blur, less dryness, and more confidence when you look around. And remember, this isn't magic. But if you stay consistent, your eyes will still hear your care, even at 60, 70, or 80 years old. So let's dive right into the details. 1. Banana, the silent friend of your eyes and sleep. There's one fruit nearly every household has. It's cheap, easy to find, easy to eat. Most people think of it as just a quick snack. But in reality, it's a quiet friend of your eyes, especially after 60. I'm talking about the banana. As we age, the fluid balance in our eyes begins to shift. Some people notice heaviness and swelling in the morning. Others struggle with increased intraocular pressure, a silent but dangerous factor behind glaucoma and retinal damage. This is where bananas step in. They're rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate fluid in the eye, reduce puffiness, and keep pressure stable in the tiny vessels around the retina. And bananas don't stop there. They also contain tryptophan, a compound that helps your body make serotonin, which then turns into melatonin, your sleep hormone. That means half a banana before bed doesn't just support your eyes, it also brings deeper, calmer sleep. And during that sleep, the cells in your cornea, retina, and optic nerve finally get their chance to repair. I think of Charles, a 68-year-old patient of mine. He used to snack on pastries before bed. I suggested, why not try half a banana instead? A few weeks later, he returned with a big smile. Doc, for the first time in years, I woke up without that morning fog over my eyes. The change didn't come from an expensive treatment, but from one small swap. And that's the lesson. Sometimes the simplest things, half a banana, can bring the difference we've been searching for. No fuss, no complexity, just consistency, and letting the body do what it knows best. And if you want to boost it further, pair the banana with a spoonful of Greek yogurt. They complement each other beautifully. But before we talk about that combination, let's turn to a fruit cherished for more than 6,000 years, both a source of strength and a natural shield for the eyes. The date. 2. Dates. The ancient sweet that protects the macula for more than 6,000 years. One fruit has traveled with humanity across civilizations. In ancient Egypt, warriors carried it on long marches for energy. In the Middle East, it symbolized life and resilience under the burning sun. That fruit is the date. But beyond energy, dates are also a shield for aging eyes. Why? Because they're packed with polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect the retina from light damage. They're also rich in vitamin A, which keeps the cornea strong and helps you see in low light, something so many seniors struggle with, especially at night. What makes dates truly special, though, is their high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin. These two pigments are stored in the macula, the part of the retina responsible for sharp central vision. They act like built-in sunglasses, filtering harmful blue light from screens, headlights, and the environment. As we age, levels of these pigments drop, leading to cloudy vision, light sensitivity, and even macular degeneration. Just a couple of dates in the evening can help replenish what your eyes are losing. I remember Denise, 74, who once loved evening drives on country roads. But the glare of oncoming headlights stole her confidence. She nearly gave up night driving altogether. When I suggested she eat 1-2 dates before bed, alongside better sleep habits and hydration, within a month she returned with joy. I drove home from my daughter's house at 9 p.m., and for the first time in years, I felt safe. The lesson here is simple. What your eyes need isn't always something expensive. Sometimes it's patience with the quiet gifts of nature. Dates are sweet, but it's the sweetness of nourishment, not destruction like refined sugar. And if you'd like even more benefit, try pairing dates with sunflower seeds. It satisfies your sweet tooth while giving your eyes extra antioxidant support. Which brings us to the next chapter, the incredible power of the tiny sunflower seed. 3. Sunflower seeds, tiny but packed with antioxidant power. Some of the most precious things come in the smallest packages. Take sunflower seeds. Most people snack on them in front of the TV or sprinkle them over salads. Small as they are, they hold a hidden treasure for your eyes. Sunflower seeds are one of the richest natural sources of vitamin E. Think of vitamin E as a shield for your retina, neutralizing harmful free radicals that build up from constant light exposure, screen time, and the sheer oxygen demands of your eyes. Without that shield, oxidative stress slowly damages eye tissue, leading to dryness, blur, and long-term problems like macular degeneration or cataracts. But there's more. Sunflower seeds also carry selenium, which boosts your antioxidant defenses, and zinc, which helps transport vitamin A from the liver to the eyes, vital for night vision. On top of that, their healthy fats make sure all these nutrients are absorbed efficiently, like a delivery service straight to your retina. I think of Harold, 73, a retired mechanic. Every morning, he reached for eye drops because of constant dryness. I suggested he sprinkle a spoonful of unsalted, dry-roasted sunflower seeds into his evening routine. Maybe over Greek yogurt, maybe with half a banana. A few weeks later, he told me with a grin, "Doc, I actually forget about my eye drops now." The healing was quiet, but steady and real. And that's the lesson. True strength doesn't always come from big, dramatic fixes. Sometimes it comes from a handful of tiny seeds, repeated night after night. And when you combine sunflower seeds with yogurt, bananas, and dates, you create a 3-minute ritual. Small, simple, but filled with exactly what your eyes need. And that's what I'll share with you next. How to turn these foods into one easy, powerful nightly habit. 4. Greek yogurt, the foundation for your eyes and gut. If bananas, dates, and sunflower seeds are the seasonings that make your eyes stronger, then Greek yogurt is the solid foundation of this whole nutritional feast. Without a strong base, the other nutrients can't fully do their job. What makes Greek yogurt so special is its high protein, low sugar, and most importantly, probiotics. These friendly bacteria help balance the gut microbiome. And why does that matter for your eyes? Because when your gut is healthy, your ability to absorb vitamins and minerals improves dramatically. And your eyes are among the organs that benefit the most. Greek yogurt also provides vitamin A and calcium, 2 essentials for the cornea and optic nerve. Vitamin A prevents dryness and reduces the risk of night blindness, while calcium helps eye signals travel smoothly to the brain. That's why something so simple can actually be considered a foundation for eye and whole body health. I remember a patient of mine, Linda, 66. She loved sweet desserts after dinner, but that habit made her blood sugar spike and crash, affecting both her eyes and her sleep. When she swapped the sweets for a small bowl of plain Greek yogurt with a few slices of banana, within weeks she noticed a change. She told me, "Not only am I sleeping better, but I wake up with far less strain in my eyes." The lesson is clear. Eye health doesn't just come from drops or pills. It comes from the foundation of nutrition you build every single day. And Greek yogurt, simple and easy to find, is one of those steady foundations. And when these 4 friends, yogurt, banana, dates, and sunflower seeds, come together in one small bedtime habit, they form a 3-minute ritual that can transform how your eyes feel every morning. And that's what we'll explore next. 5. The 3-minute eye healing ritual. Small habit, big results. When people think of caring for their eyes, they often imagine expensive treatments, complicated procedures, or bottles of supplements with confusing labels. But sometimes, a tiny ritual, just 3 minutes before bed, can make a real difference. I call it the 3-minute eye healing ritual. It's so simple anyone can start tonight. Take a small bowl, add half a cup of plain Greek yogurt as the base. Slice half a ripe banana on top. If you like a touch of sweetness, add 1 or 2 soft dates, pitted. And finally, sprinkle a spoonful of unsalted dry roasted sunflower seeds. That's it, a little nutrient feast for your eyes, ready in less than 3 minutes. Why does it work? Because each ingredient plays its own role. Yogurt provides probiotics and vitamin A for the cornea. Bananas regulate eye pressure and support deeper sleep. Dates bring lutein and zeaxanthin to protect the macula. And sunflower seeds deliver vitamin E to guard against oxidative damage. Together, they work like a team, different roles, one goal, helping your eyes repair themselves overnight. I think of the Millers, a couple in their 70s. At first, they doubted they'd stick to any new routine. But once they tried the 3-minute ritual each evening, they noticed something. Less morning blur, less dryness, and even better sleep. Mr. Miller laughed. We treat it like a sweet little bedtime ritual now, like making a cup of tea, only this one's for our eyes. And here's the lesson. We often think big changes are what create big results. But in truth, it's the small, repeated habits that shape long-term health. And when it comes to your eyes, that couldn't be more true. Of course, food is just one part of the picture. For your eyes to truly rest and recover, lifestyle choices matter too, from light exposure to screen time to sleep quality. In the next section, we'll explore these lifestyle boosters, the small daily habits that make your 3-minute ritual even more powerful. 6. Lifestyle boosters, habits that make the combo work even better. Food is like the bricks that build strong eye health. But to keep the wall standing firm, you also need mortar to hold it together and a roof to protect it. That's where simple lifestyle habits come in, the boosters that make your nutrition even more effective. One of the most important habits is reducing blue light before bed. The glow from phones, TVs, and computers is like a thief stealing melatonin, the hormone that brings deep sleep. And without quality sleep, your eyes can't repair themselves. Instead of scrolling at night, try reading a paper book or simply chatting with a loved one. Another simple practice is a warm compress on your eyes before bed. Just a few minutes can increase blood flow, reduce dryness, and bring relaxation. I once taught Evelyn, 71, to place a warm towel over her eyes each night. After a week, she told me, "I haven't slept this deeply in years, and my eyes feel less strained in the morning." And don't forget hydration throughout the day. Many older adults don't drink enough water, leading to dryness and fatigue. A helpful trick is to keep a water bottle visible next to your chair or dining table so you don't forget. Finally, there's going to bed at the same time every night. A regular sleep schedule stabilizes your body's natural rhythms, making it easier for your eyes and your whole body to repair overnight. The lesson here, your eyes don't just need nutrients. They need the right environment to rest and recover. A great food combo will always work better when paired with smart daily habits. And now, before we wrap everything together, let's take a closer look at some of the common mistakes that quietly reduce the effectiveness of your efforts. Mistakes many people don't even realize they're making. 7. Common mistakes in eye care after 60. After turning 60, many people start paying more attention to their eyes. Unfortunately, that attention doesn't always go in the right direction. Some habits, which seem harmless at first, can actually leave the eyes more tired over time. The first common mistake is believing blurry vision is just a normal part of aging. I've heard many patients tell me, "Doctor, I'm old now. Of course my eyes are weaker." But the truth is, not every vision problem comes from age. Often, it's a lack of nutrients, poor daily habits, or simply not giving the eyes proper care. The second mistake is over-relying on supplements or eye pills. Some people fill entire cabinets with bottles, hoping one will make their eyesight sharp again. But the body doesn't work that way. Without a balanced foundation of nutrition from real foods, supplements rarely have much effect. The third mistake is uncontrolled eating habits. Too much salt, sugar, and fried food doesn't just harm the heart. It also damages the tiny blood vessels that feed the retina. I once worked with Robert, age 70, who struggled with dry eyes and gradually worsening vision. He admitted he ate potato chips every night. When he replaced them with dry roasted sunflower seeds and fresh fruit, his eyes improved noticeably within weeks. And another mistake: skipping regular eye exams. Your eyes are like the car you drive every day. If you don't service it, small problems can silently build up until it's too late. The lesson here is simple. Caring for your eyes isn't about waiting until problems appear, but about prevention and gentle daily nourishment. And once we understand the mistakes to avoid, the next step is seeing our eyes not just as biological organs, but as part of our emotions and independence. Because losing clarity also means losing part of our freedom in life. That leads us to the next part. A simple philosophy. Nourish. Don't neglect. 8. A simple philosophy. Nourish instead of neglect. There's a truth many people forget. Our bodies, including our eyes, never truly give up with age. They simply reflect how we treat them. If we neglect them, they grow weaker. But if we nourish them, even late in life, the body quietly responds with positive changes. I remember James, 82 years old. He once told me, "I don't expect to see like I did at 20. I just hope I can keep reading my Bible each morning and see my granddaughters smile." And with steady effort, a diet rich in eye-friendly foods and a few small bedtime habits, his simple wish came true. He still reads, still writes, still recognizes the sparkle in the eyes of his loved ones. Here's the lesson. Nourishment is different from instant healing. Nourishment is a steady process, a daily choice repeated again and again. You don't need something dramatic. Just a bowl of yogurt, half a banana, a few sunflower seeds, a date, and patience. And remember, your eyes aren't just windows to the world. They're also keepers of cherished moments. A child's letter, an old photograph, a gentle smile. When we nourish our eyes, we're really nourishing those memories and connections. In the next section, we'll bring it all together, from the simple foods, to the little ritual, to the smart lifestyle choices, and see how it all connects to give you one thing: the confidence that you can still wake up and see the world more clearly, each and every day. We've just walked together through a journey, from familiar foods like bananas, dates, and sunflower seeds, to the steady foundation of Greek yogurt, all wrapped up in a 3-minute ritual, small enough not to feel like a burden, yet powerful enough to make a real difference for your eyes. I've seen so many of my patients, Charles with half a banana, Denise with a couple of dates, Harold with a handful of sunflower seeds, all transform their daily lives through these simple steps. None of them found an overnight miracle. But what they did find was hope. And that hope grew each day, nurtured by patience and the love they chose to give their own health. The lesson here is clear. You don't need to do everything at once. You don't have to change your whole lifestyle overnight. Just pick one small thing to begin with and repeat it. Your eyes will notice that care. And in return, they'll give back clearer mornings, less blur, and sharper smiles from the people you love. So tonight, before turning out the light, why not start? A small bowl of yogurt, a few slices of banana, one sweet date, a sprinkle of sunflower seeds, a gentle ritual, a message to your eyes. I still care for you. If this video gave you a spark of inspiration or even one small idea to try, I'd be grateful if you'd click like, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe so you won't miss the next tips. And I'd love to hear from you. Which of these habits will you try first? Or do you already have a bedtime secret that helps your eyes? Share it in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else who needs hope right now. And remember, caring for your eyes is not a race. It's a gentle, steady journey. Tonight, choose to nourish instead of neglect. Tomorrow, your eyes will thank you for it.